This is the most powerful hair growth oil you will ever use. This hair growth oil will help you grow healthy hair, reverse hair loss, and will double your hair growth in just few weeks of using this powerful hair growth oil. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Goodness, and on this channel I make content around natural hair and natural beauty remedies. So go ahead and subscribe and be part of this amazing community. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a simple recipe using only 3 ingredients to make a powerful hair growth oil to double your hair growth, keep your hair growing healthy in just few weeks. The first ingredient we're going to be using to make this hair growth oil is cloves. So we're using cloves for this recipe because it contains eugenol and vitamins that can help stimulate the hair follicles, improve blood circulation, and promote healthy hair growth. The next ingredient we're going to be using is rosemary. Rosemary is a very powerful herb. It has high amounts of antioxidants that can help increase blood flow to the scalp. It has also been said to be as effective as topical minoxidil, which is a treatment for reversing hair loss. The next ingredient is amla powder. Amla powder is another powerhouse, very popular in India. It has been used for centuries and is very effective in hair growth. Amla is a powerful natural remedy for healthy hair. Amla has antibacterial properties to help reduce dandruff and itchy scalp. It can help reduce premature hair graying and also prevent hair fall. The last ingredient is our carrier oil. So I chose olive oil, but you can choose any carrier oil of your choice. You can choose almond oil, coconut oil, any oil you feel comfortable with. We also need a clean jar where we can put all our ingredients together and allow them to infuse. The process of making this powerful hair growth oil is very easy. Start by adding amla powder into the clean jar. Amla powder, also known as Indian gooseberry, has antibacterial property to help reduce dandruff and itchy scalp. The next ingredient is rosemary, and here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rosemary herb into the jar as well. Rosemary is great, especially if you're experiencing hair loss. This will help to reduce hair shedding, hair breakage, and help your hair to grow. Next is cloves. I am also adding 2 tablespoons of my cloves into this jar, and clove is a very good herb that helps to promote hair growth, nourish our scalp, reduce inflammation, and help our hair to smell great. So for my choice of oil, which is olive oil, I'm using just a cup of olive oil. Like I said, you can choose any great hair oil that you feel comfortable with, but I would suggest you choose a non-greasy, lightweight hair oil that will be very good for your hair and your scalp without irritating your scalp. So add all the herbs together, add in the oil, and you can see the way I'm shaking it. You can just shake it or mix it properly, and then I'm going to be putting it into this pot already filled with water to simmer for a while. Heating these herbs and oil in this double boiling method will help these herbs to soften and be able to allow the oil to penetrate and also infuse properly into the oil. This will help your oil to infuse properly, release all of those herbs and all of those nutrients in the herbs into the oil. So after simmering for about 10 minutes, I brought it out, allowed it to cool properly, and this is what it looks like right now. So if you noticed, I used only dried herbs. It is advisable to use dried herbs that doesn't have any form of moisture in them, to make sure that your oil will last longer. If you're going to be using any fresh herb, you may want to cook directly on heat to reduce any form of moisture and help your oil to last longer. Once moisture or any form of moisture enters, your oil is likely to smell, and bacteria may also attack your oil. So here I have my oil ready, and I covered it. Next, I'm going to be keeping it in a dark or warm place to infuse for at least 3 to 5 days. I usually do 5 days, but you can do 3 to 5 days. And my safe warm place is usually either my microwave or oven. So I put it in my microwave to infuse for at least 5 days, and after 5 days, this is what we have. This is a very powerful hair growth oil. This oil smells amazing. Rosemary herb has this nice therapeutic fragrance. It smells so amazing, and if you would like to see more healthy and natural beauty remedies like this, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and be part of this amazing community we are building here. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Alright, so I went ahead to filter this oil. You want to make sure you filter it, especially because we use amla powder. Although this oil has amla powder and it is great for our scalp, but you don't want your oil having tiny particles. You want a very smooth looking oil. So you may want to filter it over and over again to make sure your oil comes out smooth. I went ahead to pour it into this bottle to make it easier for me to apply it on my hair. You can also add essential oil into this oil to make it more potent. You can add essential oils such as rosemary essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, tea tree, mint, there is lavender. There's so many great essential oils you can add into this oil to make it more potent. But with or without essential oil, this oil right here is super potent for you. And if you decide to add essential oil, just about 8 to 10 drops is great, so it will not irritate your scalp so much. Now let me share with you easy way to apply this hair growth oil. You can apply it directly on your scalp to lubricate your scalp and reduce dryness. One of the reasons our scalp itches a lot is because it is dry, and dryness leads to itchy scalp and eventually dandruff. Although there are other reasons, but one of the reasons is actually dry scalp. So you want to lubricate your scalp very well with this oil and massage it gently into your scalp. Don't just pour it or apply it on your scalp and leave it. Make sure you massage it properly into the scalp. Let your scalp absorb this oil very well. You can also use this oil as a sealing after moisturizing your hair or hydrating your hair, or applying a leave-in on your hair. You can seal in moisture with this hair growth oil. You can also apply this oil around your edges. This will help to promote hair growth and keep your hairline and your hair nourished. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you to all my returning subscribers, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video. And until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.